We now have a new zoning ordinance in effect. Our zoning ordinance was 40 years old. It was adopted in 1978. It's been amended 480 times. And we needed to bring it into the 21st century. So it's in plain language. It's, the format's much better. We have tables, graphs, illustrations, and we have actually cut our ordinance in half. It used to be 1,200 pages, and now it's 600 pages. We spent a lot of time working on modernizing the uses because we want to try to project what's going to happen, you know, for the next 20, 30 years. We have new standards for electric vehicle charging. We added new use names, and we also created new uses like goods distribution hub, which is your last mile delivery, which all of us have used over the last year during the pandemic. Well, we're really excited about our new website and our new platform for the zoning ordinance. It's called enCodePlus, and it is going to be more searchable and dynamic. There will be hyperlinks to take you to different sections of the ordinance. There will be hover boxes, so when you're looking at use standards, you can hover over the name of the use and it will give you the definition, so you're not having to, you know, go scroll through pages and pages to find the definitions. Zoning regulations are designed to protect the health, safety, and welfare, but they also reflect the values of our community and how we want Fairfax, what we want Fairfax to look like, how we want it to grow. And I think it's important to know what those regulations are so that, you know, we can be good neighbors to each other and we don't do things that inadvertently impact other neighborhoods. And we spent a lot of time talking about neighborhood impacts to make sure that we could balance, you know, the needs of the community to be more progressive and modern, but yet still provide those protections.